to SkVm Sudoku. I am going to solve the Statesman's newspaper Sudoku puzzle on January 23, 2022, 4-star Sudoku. Column H, we have 1, 6 and 4. So the 3 number can't come in these cells. It will come in any one of the cells. 7th row, we have 6. So 6 can't come in this cell. Then 6 is confirmed here. The only 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 4. It will come in any one of the cells. We'll confirm later. Column I and column J, we have 8. So 8 can't come in these cells. Then 10th row also we have 8. So 8 can't come in this cell. Then 8 is confirmed here. In this grid, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 5, 7. We will confirm later. Column H, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 9. Second row we have 3, so 3 can't come in this cell. 3 is confirmed here, then 9 is here. Second row and column J, we have 3. So 3 can't come in these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. Second row we have 7. So 7 can't come in these cells. It will come in any one of the cells. We will confirm later. 8th row and 9th row we have 7. So 7 can't come in these cells. Column J also we have 7. So 7 can't come in this cell. Then 7 is confirmed here. Column G and 8th row we have 4. So 4 can't come in these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. 9th row and 10th row we have 8. So 8 can't come in these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Tenth row we have 3 and 9. It can't come in these cells. It will come in any one of the cells. We will confirm later. In this grid, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 4, 6. We will confirm later. Then 10th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 5. We will confirm later. 9th row, we have 9. So 9 can't come in these cells. Column I also we have 9. So 9 can't come in this cell. The 9 is confirmed here. Column I we have 6. So 6 can't come in these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. In this grid, we have 1. So 1 can't come in these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Second row and 4th row we have 9. Column E also we have 9. So 9 can't come in these cells. Then 9 is confirmed here. 4th row we have 1 and 8. 1 and 8 can't come these cells. It will come in any one of the cells. We will confirm later. In this grid, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 5, 6. We will confirm later. 6th row and 7th row we have 4. Column F and column G we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Column E and column F and 5th row we have pair numbers 8 and 9. So 8 and 9 can't come in these cells. It will come in any one of the cells. We'll confirm later. Fifth row and column D we have 9. So 9 can't come in these cells. 9 is confirmed here. Column C we have 9. So 9 can't come in this cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Since 9 is here, so 9 can't come in this cell. Then 9 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Fifth row and sixth row we have 8. So 8 can't come in these cells. 8 is confirmed here. Fourth row, 3 numbers are remaining. 7, 4, 3. Column C we have 3 and 7. So 3 and 7 can't come in this cell. It will come in any one of the cells. Column J we have 3. So 3 can't come in this cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Then only one number is missing. 4. 4 is confirmed here. Column B and column C we have 4. So 4 can't come in these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. In this grid only 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 6. Column C we have 6. So 6 can't come in this cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. In this grid 4 numbers remaining, 1, 2, 3, 7. Column C 1, 3, 3, 7. 3 numbers can't come in this cell. It will come in any one of the 3 cells. Then only 1 numbers are remaining, 2. 2 is confirmed here. Column C only 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 8. We will confirm later. Column B we have 6. And third row also we have 6. So 6 can't come in these cells. 6 is confirmed here. Third row and sixth row we have 3. So 3 can't come in these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. In this grid only 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 7. We'll confirm later. Column E and column F we have 7. So 7 can't come in these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Since 7 is here, so 7 can't come in this cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Column H 3 numbers are remaining, 7, 5, 2. Fifth row we have 2 and 7. So 2 and 7 can't come in this cell. It will come any one of the cells. Sixth row we have 7. So 7 can't come in this cell. Then 7 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Then only 1 numbers are remaining, 5. 5 is confirmed here. Fifth row only 1 number is missing, 6. 6 is confirmed here. Column D only 1 numbers are remaining, 1 is confirmed here. Then since 1 is here, 7 can't come in this cell. Then 1 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Third row we have 8. So 8 can't come in this cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Column B two numbers are remaining, 2 and 7. Second row we got 7, so 7 is confirmed here, then 2 is here. Second row, two numbers are remaining, 4 and 5. Column I we have 4, so 4 is confirmed here, then 5 is here. In this grid only one number is remaining, 2 is confirmed here. Column J we have 2, so 2 confirmed in this cell, then 2 is confirmed here, then 5 is here. Column I only two numbers are remaining, 1 and 2. Ninth row we have 2, so then 2 is confirmed here, then 1 is here. Ninth row only one numbers are remaining, 5 is confirmed here. Column G, two numbers are remaining, 1 and 6. In this grid we have 1, so 1 can't come in this cell, then 1 is confirmed here, then 6 is here. Eighth row, two numbers are remaining, 3 and 6. Column F we have 6, then 6 is confirmed here, then 3 is here. Seventh row, two numbers are remaining, 2 and 3. Column F we have 3, then 3 is confirmed here, then 2 is here. Fourth row, only two numbers are remaining, 2 and 5. Column F we have 2, so 2 confirmed in this cell, then 2 is confirmed here, then 5 is here. Sixth row, only two numbers are remaining, 1 and 5. Column E we have 1, so 1 confirmed in this cell, 1 is confirmed here, then 5 is here. If you have any questions, please leave comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.